पेनिट्रेशन की तो इंडिया में काफ़ी कम देखा गया है। ये नियर अराउंड 4% के बराबर है, जो कि काफ़ी कम। अगर हम कंपेयर करें डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज से, जो कि वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज है, तो उनमें इंश्योरेंस का पेनिट्रेशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिलेगा, कई हद तक 70-80% तक मिलेगा। बट इंडिया में ये संख्या काफ़ी कम है और हमें पता है इंश्योरेंस के कई सारे फायदे हैं और इंश्योरेंस होना भी चाहिए। तो आइए हम इसी को ही ध्यान में रखते हुए इंश्योरेंस को रेगुलेट करने वाली स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी आईरेडा ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है। तो आइए उस इनिशिएटिव को समझते हैं, जो कि फोकस करेगा इंश्योरेंस कवरेज को बढ़ाने में। सो इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी एंड डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, दैट्स कॉल्ड IRDAI. This is a very important body and it is a statutory body. It regulates the insurance sector in India and also the policy takers and stakeholders. So it has introduced Bima Vistar. The focus of Bima Vistar is to actually increase the insurance penetration, create awareness about the insurance among the people. So this is all-in-one insurance product encompassing health, life, property coverage, is poised to revolutionize the insurance landscape in the country. So Bima Vistar. So now in India, mostly insurance are limited in the area of life insurance, not in other area. But this Bima Vistar also extend. It also include life insurance, health insurance, property insurance, and other type of insurance. So this will also give boost to the other type of insurance in India. It represents significant step toward realizing the authority visions of making insurance accessible to everyone in citizen by 2047. So insurance is compulsory in many of the developed countries, but India it is not the case. So insurance also give boost to the economy, and at the same time sector also create employment to the large number of the people, and that beside ensuring the healthcare benefit to the people. To enhance financial inclusion, Bima Vistar is adopting a women-centric distribution model. So women-centric distribution model is important. And under this innovative approach, women including the members of the SHG, that is called self-help group, will be appointed as the Bima Vahaks. So it is very important. It will also provide some sort of alternative earning for the SHG members and will also create awareness about the insurance at the rural level. So that's a very good initiative. IRDA envision trinity of Bima Vistar, that Bima Vahak and digital platform Bima Sugam. So this is a very good initiative and definitely it's going to boost insurance coverage in India. At the same time will create awareness among the people about insurance. So this is all about the recent initiative taken by the important institution that's called IRDAI. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel Selection IAS.